Moving on to other stories, a series of drone threats has forced India to step up its surveillance and security systems. The DRDO's anti-missile system has been designed to bring down rogue drones with a laser strike. But it's the micro-Chinese drones that fly at a low height and are available in the black market that are proving to be a real challenge.
India is ready with its counter-drone strategy. Defense Research and Development Organization's anti-drone system has been designed to take down rogue drones. The system can detect objects within a range of 3 kilometers and destroy it with a laser beam.
This system is a multi-sensor system that we had been working on for the last 3 years, anticipating such threats in future. And it primarily has a radar which is used to detect the drone's presence, and then there is a provision to do a soft kill, we call it, and also a hard kill. Depending on the requirement, we can exercise any of these two.
A new technique can bring down a drone through jamming command. And this new anti-drone system that was first deployed during the 2020 Independence Day celebrations in the capital will be available to the forces within 3 months.
We can actually enhance the production capabilities, and we are multiple industries we are engaging, including Bharat Electronics, who is our production agency, nominated today. So depending on the requirement, we can roll out anywhere from 6 months, we can actually enhance the production capabilities.
The big challenge, however, is that mini drones are available across markets in India. Surveillance drones are often used by police and security forces to monitor an area. The drones are fitted with a camera and can fly up to the height of 400 feet. Another small category drone is an agri-drone which can carry up to 25 kilograms of payload and is often used to spray fertilizers or pesticides across farms. Survey boat drones have a range of up to 35 kilometers and can be used to drop heavier payloads. However, it is the Chinese drones that fly low that are the real threat. Without human control, these drones are time-controlled and can be programmed to drop explosives and return back. Because they fly low, they escape the radars too.
ड्रोन्स को लेकर जिस तरह से डीजीसीए की गाइडलाइन है, लेकिन यहाँ पर जो लोग ड्रोन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का काम करते हैं, इस वक्त हम जो आपको दिखा रहे हैं, उनका ये कहना है कि ड्रोन्स के ऑपरेशन को लेकर डीजीसीए की तमाम तरह की गाइडलाइन है, उसके लिए एक निश्चित एरिया होता है, एक निश्चित समय सीमा होती है, लेकिन जो चाइनीज़ ड्रोन है या जो ब्लैक मार्केट में इस तरह के ड्रोन उपलब्ध हैं, उनका आसानी से इस्तेमाल किया जा सकता है, जिस तरह की घटना जम्मू में हुई है। कैमरामैन अशोक भनोट के साथ मंजित नेगी, गुरुग्राम, आज तक।